For today's nail art, we are going to do a floral design. I'm starting off with a navy blue polish from Zoya called Sailor. Once my polish is dry, I'm going to stamp some flowers from Mora Plate 75, and the color I'm using is Iced Lilac from MoYou London. Using Leslie Plate Greenery 2, we're going to add some blue flowers and Mercury Bassline from Maiology. Now we'll stamp a layered flower using ZJoy Plate 32, and the color I'm using is Dawn from Mundo de Unas. For the outline of our flower, I'm going to use Cayenne pepper from Kaleidoscope. Using that same stamping plate, I'm going to add a butterfly. I'm going to add a center to our flower using a dotting tool and Iced Lilac from MoYou London. I'll finish the design with Seche Vite fast drying top coat. And here's the completed design on my nails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.